How to ignore this message? Messenger wants to create a pin. If any day any of you are a messenger user and you have already created a pin on your messenger, but still the problem shows that the very option of creating a pin in the messenger shows and you are quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then says messenger there. After that, when you find the messenger application, you have to tap on it for a while and then go to the option of app information. After you tap on app information, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on notification, and when you tap on notification, you have to allow the notifications and allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go to the option of permissions, and tapping on permission, you have to allow it to the calendar, camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notification phone, and photos and videos. Again, you can go back and then go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to open the supported links and then go back again. Now you have to tap on storage, and if you see any of the cache there, you have to clear down the cache by tapping on clear the cache and then go back again. Then you have to go to the option of app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, if you see any of the option of update out there, you can update it, and after that you can open the messenger and you can see that whenever you open the messenger, your problem has been already solved here, and this way you can see that your problem is solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.